Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, I'm going to be doing for you a live unboxing of the Mecca Level 3 look box that came out a week ago. So if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. The subscribe button is just down here. And if you like my video today, remember to give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, let's get started. So live unboxing of the Mecca Level 3 look box April 2021. First of all, I want to apologize to my usual audience. This video is extremely late and belated, but here I am, better late than never. As you can see, I picked it up over the NZ weekend and just have been a little bit busy, but here I am. As you can see, it's been sitting in the house, still sitting in the Mecca bag. I'm just going to take it out. And the lovely Mecca lady has wrapped it up for me. So let's open. So Mecca Level 3 look box, April 2021. I'm going to put on my glasses. I have no idea what they've got in store. Let me see. Okay, start with this here. Ageless Bare Minerals. I am a big fan of Bare Minerals products. I've got a couple of videos that I've done on the complexion rescue and the foundation. So this one is the 10% Phyto Retinol Night Concentrate by Bare Minerals. Wow. I know Bare Minerals has got just a small range of skincare, but I didn't realize they've gone into what you call clinical skincare, vitamin A, retinol. So this will be interesting. Yeah, this will be interesting. Let me see. So here we are. Yeah. 10% Phyto Retinol Night Concentrate. So I will try this out because I love trying out skincare with active ingredients. Oh, this is new to me. This is exciting. So look out for the video. Yeah, what's this thing here? GOOP Beauty. I think this needs no introduction. It's the actress Gwyneth Paltrow's brand that received a lot of criticism, mainly because of the exorbitant price that she charges for her products. You know what I mean? I did see some of her products, and I was interested in the glycolic pads, but the price I just find was exorbitant. But this is, oh, like speaking about, it is the 15% glycolic. 15% glycolic acid fruit extract overnight glow pill. I was just criticizing it and I didn't read what I was holding. So it is her 15% glycolic acid overnight glow pill. I know a lot about glycolic acid because that's what saved my skin. Now, if those of you who have been following me in my earlier videos, it was exfoliation using AHA pills that really helped start the journey of skin healing for my heavily and severely pigmented skin. So I am very interested in trying this out. So yep, I'm very excited. I know she charges an arm and a leg for her 15% glycolic acid when there are plenty of very decent brands out there that has AHA, BHA products. But I will definitely try this. Thank you, Gwyneth. What's the next thing? Here we are. It's so black. I need my magnifying glass. So what's this here? Yeah, I need magnifying glass, all right? So what's this? Oh, Laura Mercier. Caviar volume. So this looks like a Laura Mercier mascara. So let's just have a look. Yep. Laura Mercier mascara. So I would like to try this. Laura Mercier products are very good quality. Her famous translucent powder is raved all over the internet. I still haven't purchased it yet mainly because I don't use a lot of powder. I have mature skin, so my skin is quite dry in general, and I find that powder just dries my skin out and make me look older. So I generally prefer more hydrating and moisturizing products. Hence, I haven't purchased a powder, but I will try this mascara. So yeah, this is exciting. Her products are good quality. So yeah, there are always 4 samples. So what's this one? Santal 33. I think this is my third Santal 33 because I got one from a previous level 3 box, and then I got one from an online purchase of mine. So yeah, so I'm going to open it now and just demonstrate to you. Yeah, it's got that foresty pine smell. Just let me smell this again, Santal. I think it's the same. If it's not a bad fragrance, but I've had this sample before, so yeah, I'm not doing much with this, so sorry. But I am very excited with good old GOOP because I have no plans to purchase any of the GOOP products, but it's good to get a sample and I can try it out. Very excited about this Bare Minerals 10% phytoretinol. So I'm very interested. I'm always interested in active skincare products, and Laura Mercier mascara. So I will try this. Laura Mercier is a good, very good brand. Products are not cheap. These 3 products, I will definitely try them out and do videos on them. The GOOP, Laura Mercier, and the Bare Minerals 10% phytoretinol. So very excited, very, very excited about these samples here. So thank you, Mecca, that I get to try these products. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. And thank you for your patience. I know this video is very late and very belated. So apologies to my usual viewers. It's taken, this look box came out last week. I think, yeah, Wednesday. So exactly a week later. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.